welcome back to the channel, and today we go to Mexico. We are going to do tacos, keto tacos. So let's get started. You need a muffin pan, a very usual muffin pan, and you turn it upside down, and then you need a baking sheet, and you cut quite big squares, like this one. We are going to make 6 tacos. Alright, and then you need a cheese of your choice. I will use this Edamer cheese, and it's 0 carbs, 0 sugar. And it's good if you choose something harder. Don't choose a very soft cheese. And you need the cheese cutter, and then you do a few slices. 4 slices I think is good. And I will measure how much is it for the color data for you. 18 grams. Okay, you need 18 gram cheese per taco shell. Alright, so you take your baking sheet, you put it on here from outside. You're just like trying to do your best. And then you put the cheese on like this, and then the other side, and then crossways. And if you have a smaller muffin form, then I think it's fine if you have 4, but I think here we should need a little bit more to cover it fully, to have a shell. So add 4 more. Alright, and then you do that 5 more times. Alright, so this is done. We are gonna have 6 cheese shell for our tacos. And to protect your oven so it's not dropping because it will melt very quickly, make a bigger tray and cover it with alufolia like this, and then you just put this on top like that, so if anything drops then you are safe. And now you pop this into the oven for like 2-5 minutes, depends on how hot is your oven. And don't forget to preheat the oven for 200 degrees, and keep an eye on this because cheese melts so fast that it actually could just burn, so just be careful. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's nicely melted. And what you do, if it's like a bit out of shape like this one, you can just press it down a little bit because it's very soft, so it's easy to form. But some of them are pretty good, like this one and this one, they are very good. Alright, so just leave it here, let it cool until it's like hard. And in the meantime, we're gonna get done the meat and the veggies. So you just take some salads. I took Romanian salad, and you chop them up into small pieces. Good. Then you chop up a small purple onion as well, a half of a tomato, and a half of a red bell. Alright, you can add spices, anything your choice. I am going to use Parsley in Swedish. I don't know what is it in English. I think it's maybe Clementro, something like this. Anyway, then you can just mix it together on the board. It's like this. You have a nice mixture. If you want, you can add cucumber or anything else you like from veggies. Just make sure it's low carb veggies. This it is, and now we are going to make a little guacamole. You need 1 avocado. Alright, and then you can add a little bit of pepper, salt, lemon, garlic, or anything else you like in your guacamole. It's just a very simple recipe. I usually add a teaspoon of sour cream, and then you just mix this with your fork until you get a creamy texture. Alright, I will add a little bit of garlic powder. Alright, so let's see how does it taste. It's good. It's not too spicy, but it's nice. It's a bit lemony. At this point, you can do the meat. It's basically beef with salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic, and you just fry it in coconut oil. I used 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and I just fried them. It's very simple. You can do that for yourself. So this is done. And let's check on the cheese. Alright, this is very nice. It's a bit still soft. So I would say you can still fix the shape with your hands if you are not satisfied fully with it. Pressure them a little bit down. And soon it will be fully hardened, so then you cannot do that. Alright, so the shells cool down. This is how it looks. And then you just peel them off from the paper. And then you can just put them on a plate. Some of them became a bit better. You need to practice this. But you see, it's very easy to peel them off. It's super good. And the last one. Alright, then they can help each other to stand a little bit better. Now you will just fill them with what you want. In my case, I will put a little bit of guacamole into everything to the bottom, like this, to give them a nice saucy bottom. If you want to make a proper guacamole, you can buy powders, anything you like, and anything what is low carb. Like this. Then you can add veggies as much as you like. Like this, and then you can add your meat. Beef is really good because it's high in fat, and when you eat beef, it actually, I think, lasts the longest from all the type of meats. Like, it helps you to take as long as you can go on intermittent fasting. Here's a bit more, very good. And then you can use sour cream and put a little bit on each. And I'm gonna put some extra cheese on top, like this. Alright, so this is the keto tacos in cheese shells. They are really pretty. I can just take one and show it to you. This is how it looks in my hand. And I can eat 2 of these and I am like full. I can't eat anything more. It's really heavy. So with 2 you can go on a long run. Okay, good. I hope you liked this video. If you did and you want to see more of these recipes, then hit the subscribe button. If you tried the recipe, please comment below, tell me how was it, and give me a like if you did like this video. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.